Namaste, welcome to Namaste Pun. In today's episode, we'll be talking about how you can invite and refer your friends to the World app for Apple and iOS mobile phone users. So let's get started. Before you are able to invite and refer your friends, take note that you have to have your account be verified at an op already. So you have a verified World ID account. So if you have that, you are able to refer your friends. If you do not have that, you will have to be activated first. Then you will be able to refer your friends. So to get activated, look for an op near you and you can get it verified. So let's get started. Step 1, open your World app. Step 2, go over to the grants page. Step 3, you will be able to see at the top of the grants page that there will be a invite your friend for X number of WLD. Click on that and it will bring you to the invitation page. In the invitation page, at the top right corner, you will see your coupon code. So that is your referral code. And then at the bottom, you will see your contact list, which you can enable. So there is 2 ways that you can go about it. You can first click on the contact list and send out an invitation from there. The second option is that you can pass the invite code over to your friend, and before they verify at a local op, once they have downloaded the application, the World app, tell them to go over to grants, and then at the top right corner settings, click on the settings, go over to referral code at the bottom menu, and make sure that there is a referral code entered. That is your referral code. If the referral code is blank, tell them to click on it and enter your referral code before they verify at an op. So that by entering the referral code before they verify at the op, that will ensure that you will be able to get your referral bonus. So take note about this, and I hope this video is helpful. Thank you.